Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys this green color changing lip gloss and it is very pigmented, you guys, and boy does it have a super stain. I can't wait to share. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Let's mix it up.
Alright lipstick besties, so today's color goes by the name of Tia Ray, and as you can see it is a green super pigmented color changing lip gloss, and it is also super staining. I'm going to repeat, it is super staining. So I just wanted to let you know that this is an extreme color changing lip gloss. As you all know, I do have a Patreon, and for the new people, welcome to get full access to this recipe and all of my archives and all of my future recipes. You can join me on Patreon for a small $5 pledge per month. I want to send a special shout out and a thank you to my current patrons who show up for me every month. I love you guys so much and I thank you so much. But yes, if you want to join us over there, we would love to have you. You'll have access to perks like early access to my YouTube videos, as well as super cool Patreon member discounts. So, and I also have one on my class right now. I have an amazing discount on my class. So if you want to take it, it'll be a great, amazing opportunity to head over to Patreon and look at all of the deets. Okay, to my bowl, I have my Versagel and my hydrogenated polyisobutene. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this together really well and get it nice and incorporated. And once it's mixed together, then just like this, I'm going to go ahead and add in my Presto Changeo liquid colorant. I got this from TKB, and this is what is needed to make the color actually change. The color changes according to your pH. So that beautiful hot pink that you've seen on my lips is actually giving like a reddish pink on me, like a berry pink. I love it. It would be totally different on someone else's skin according to their pH. Next, I'm going in with the Very Velo Beauty Super Poppin' Blue Liquid Concentrate, and a little goes a long way because this blue is pigmented as well. So that's all I'm using, and then I'm going to also go in with the Very Velo Beauty Yellow Liquid Concentrate, and you can grab them both from veryvelobeauty.com. And then I'm just going to add in the yellow. I added slightly more yellow than blue, and I added them both to the oil of my choice, which is grapeseed oil. I chose grapeseed oil because it's an allergen free oil, like no nuts, no coconuts, avocados, all of that good stuff, just so that everyone could use it. And now is a great time to add your preservative cap too, or if you're using Optifine, that is fine as well. Then I'm going to pour that oil mixture right over our pre-mixed lip gloss along with the Presto Changeo, and you're just going to mix this really well until everything is incorporated really good. I noticed that this particular measurement that I had done already was a little thick, as you can see, and this is more reminiscent of a lip oil. So I'm going in with more hydrogenated polyisobutene, as you can see, and that is going to correct our texture and bring it to a nice thin consistency, just like so. Well, where it's able to coat the lips and it's not sticky, and it has a nice glide, like as you can see right here, like really nice glide, non-sticky. And when I tell you this thing changes fast, it waits on no one. I wanted to get like a swatch on my hand just to show how it will look on a lighter complexion, and just to give you guys an idea of how fast this changes, as well as how strong of the color payoff that is going to give, and the stain, and it stains, you guys. So if you don't want it to be this dark or this pigmented, definitely use less Presto Changeo if you want a milder version of this with the green, you can most definitely do that by adding less Presto changeover. But yes, I just drew it up in a syringe because it was thin enough. I didn't have to add it from the back end. And you also want to make sure you're leaving like an inch of space so that the wine can go in. And you also want to tap them air bubbles out. I had a time with these air bubbles, girl. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that air bubble. Just not letting me be great. But yes, make sure you tap that out first before you put that wine in. But here we are. It glides on so well. It is not sticky. I added some cotton candy fragrance to it off camera when I filled the second bottle. And this recipe feels like 3 to 4 bottles, maybe 4 to 5 ml bottles. And you guys, it smells so good. It glides on, and I was shook. I was so shook by the color payoff and how fast it turned and how bright it was on my lips. But I love it. It's giving like a blush pink, almost not a light blush, but a blush pout as the stain lasts throughout the day. And it lasted me all day long until I took a shower at night and washed my face and got ready for bed and all of that good stuff. But yes, this is available in individual 5 ml tubes with a wine and wholesale. If you don't want to make it, hit your girl up. Go to my website, veryvillobeauty.com. And until next time, thank you so much for allowing me to share my gift with you guys. Stay blessed. I love you. Bye.